Okay, so I figured I'd bring us up to this point now where you're prepping for the polishing of the lens. So they give you this foam disc with the Velcro back again, and basically you're just going to reattach that to where am I here? You're going to reattach this to the drill adapter, and you're going to dispense a dime-size amount of 3M rubbing compound to the compounding pad. Then you know, just like using a polisher on your car, it tells you to, you know, smear the polish onto the foam pad, you know, with the lens. You basically press the drill up against the lens, just so it doesn't spatter all over the place. And I guess go to town here, as it says in the last few steps here. So get this done, and we'll have a finished product. One thing I didn't mention, they do give you the rubbing compound with this kit. So it comes in this little bag here, and that's what we're going to dispense onto the orange applicator pad. Okay guys, so here's the moment of truth. That was the last step of polishing, and it says just wipe it down now and see what you get. And unbelievable. Wow, this looks great. I never thought this would come this good after seeing it after those first few steps, but I mean, this isn't really doing it justice right now looking through the camera lens, but I guess this light's kind of shadowing off it too much. But yeah, look at that. Freaking awesome. Did a really nice job. Side view there. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's about it. I'm going to finish the other side up. I'm going to pull the car out in the out of the garage here and into the daylight, and I guess that'll be the real test to see what it looks like outside. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps everything up. Got both lights polished, everything all complete now, and the results speak for themselves. It really came out nice. I mean, aside from this right here, which you can barely see it with the camera, but that was a big stone chip that I had from something that hit the car. But that is the only defect that I have on the lenses now. It really took everything out. They look great. So yeah, highly recommend this 3M headlight restoration kit. 20 bucks. Restored my headlights that I think every place I saw that I was looking to get new ones was over 100 bucks a piece. So definitely paid for itself. And thanks for watching. You got any comments or questions, post them down below, and that's about it. Thanks guys.